Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall learn few more homophones. Children, do you remember what are homophones? The alphabets with the same sound. They spell same sound but we write different letters. They are called as homophones. In today's class, we are going to learn a few set of homophones where we get the sound U for each and every homophone here. Let us see what they are. U as U, U dash E as U. That is, here we have two vowels, a consonant in between. There, letter U will takes the name of letter itself as the sound. That is U. The name of the letter itself as the sound. UE as U and EW also as U. Let us see few examples. U as U. Pupa. When I say pupa, the beginning sound that we listen is P, U, where I place letter U for the sound U. P, U, P, A. Here letter A takes the sound A. Pupa. Letter U takes the name of the letter itself as the sound. Uniform. Uniform. Letter U as the beginning sound. U, ni, n, e. After U we listen to the sound n, then e. Uniform. We listen to the sound f, where I place letter F and A, rm, letter R and M. Uniform. Let us see few more examples. U dash E as U. The first word that I am going to take is tube. When I say tube, the beginning sound that we listen is T, where I place letter T, then U, tube, tube. As we have learnt earlier, when we get a consonant in between two vowels, the last letter E remains silent and the first vowel takes its name as its sound. The next picture is capsule. For that, the beginning sound that we listen is K, A, P. K-ap, capsule. The next sound that we listen is S. U, L. Capsule. Letter E remains silent here. We shall see one more example. UE as U. Hue. We call this coloring as hue. When I say hue, the beginning sound that we listen is H and then U, where I place U and E both together. Hue. The next example is argue. You can see the children arguing with each other. When I say argue, the beginning sound that we listen is R, G, where I place letter G and then U and E for U sound, argue. The next homophone is EW as U. The first picture card is news. When I say news, the beginning sound that we listen is N, And for U sound, we place E and W both together. New, new. And next comes S. Use, news. Newt. It is a animal with lizard family. It is a lizard family animal. We call it as newt. The beginning sound is U, T. Newt. So let us move on to the textbook activity. In the language workbook, page number 28, we have an activity to write UE, R, U-E, R-E-W, R-U and trace the words. The first picture given is tube, T-ube, tube, where we write U-E. B, letter B takes the place of blank. Tube, tube, letter E remains silent. Hue, H-U-E, for the sound U. Capsule, K-A-P-S-U-L, letter E remains silent here. Children, you have to trace the remaining letters also. Argue, R-G-U, we write U-E for U sound. Q, K-U, where we write U and E. Pupa, P-U-P-A, letter U for U sound. Tunic, T-U-N-I-C, tunic. Newt, N-U-T, nude. Square, Sk, E and W for U sound here. Let us move on to the next activity. Trace and read the words. I'll read the words for you children. You have to trace them and read the words also. Mute, mute, amuse, nephew, human, rescue and fondue. Still we have few more activities to do. Change the first letter and write a new word. We have to change the first letter and write a new word here. I'll change the letter D to letter F and I'll make the word due as few. Cube, letter C can be changed to letter T to make a different word. Cube, tube. We can also call them as rhyming words, children. Still we have few more words to read here. Spew, newt, unit, acute, tune, rescue, duke and use. After completing this, let us move on to page number 29 where we have an activity to write the names of the pictures. The pictures and write the names here. We have a hint box here to help us to name the pictures. Cube, sleep, grey, shield, plane, chain, feet, plate, main, nail, sweet and dew. These are the homophones which we have learnt in all these days. After completing this, we have one more activity to do here. Trace and read the words. The words given are we, lady, thief, stray, rainy, legal, sway, essay and evil. Dear parents, kindly help your children to understand the given concept and also to complete the work. Thank you.